Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we will take a look at how to fix unable to verify app an internet connection is required. Now the first thing that we can go ahead and do to solve this issue is to make sure that you are connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular signal. So go right on ahead and try to verify the app once again through this. If this does not work, another thing that we can go ahead and do is to offload and reinstall the app. To do that, all we need to do is to go into our settings, and then we're going to go all the way down until we can see general. So go right on ahead and click on this, and then we should be able to see iPhone storage. So go right on ahead and click on this, and then just go ahead and find the app that is causing the issue, and then open the app itself, and then there will be an option where it says offload app. So when you go ahead and offload the app, this will go ahead and offload the app, meaning that you are able to go ahead and remove the app itself, but you can go ahead and reinstall it by clicking on reinstall right here. And then go right ahead and test the app once again, and hopefully this would have fixed this verification error. Another thing that we can go ahead and do is to log out of the Apple Store and then log back in with your Apple ID that you have used to download that same app. To do that, go right on ahead and look for your Apple Store right here. And then we're going to go to our account on the top right. And then if we scroll all the way to the bottom, we should be able to see the sign out button right here. So go right on ahead and sign out of your Apple Store, and then go ahead and relog back in. Then go ahead and try the app one more time. And finally, if that doesn't work, all you can go ahead and do is to delete the app and then reinstall the app once again. So to do that, all you need to do is to go ahead and hold on the app, and then you should be able to see remove app right here, and then you should be able to see delete app. So go ahead and delete right there. Now head on back to the Apple Store and then go ahead and search for the app itself right there, and then you should be able to see this icon right here which says that this has been downloaded already. So go right on ahead and click on it one more time to re-download the app itself. Now go right on ahead and try the app, and this should fix the verification app error. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.